Assalamualaikum and hello to teachers and friends. Today I'm going to present about application of Archimedes principle on hot air balloon. Have you ever wondered how hot air balloon rises up, how it managed to stay afloat at a steady height, and how does it going down? And today is the perfect day to explore on how hot air balloon work. And let's get started. First thing first is how hot air balloon works in theory. Do you know why hot air balloon doesn't tie up at the bottom like a normal balloon? It is because the opening at the bottom of hot air balloon allow airflow in and out, which means the density of air in the balloon can change, while the pressure inside and outside remain unchanged. Hot air balloons float because air caught inside the balloon is heated up by burner, making it less dense than the air outside. As the burner heats the air, it will expand and some of the air escape, making it less dense. Next is how hot air balloon rises. When air in the balloon is heated, the density of hot air is less dense than the density of cold air. It displaces a large volume of air in the balloon. The buoyant force is equal to the weight of surrounding air displaced. The hot air balloon is ready to go up. The hot air balloon will rise up when the buoyant force is higher than weight of hot air, plus the weight of airship fabric, plus the weight of gondola, and plus the weight of passengers. Next is how hot air balloon descends. The balloon descends when the buoyant force is lower than the weight of hot air balloon, plus the weight of airship fabric, plus the weight of gondola, and the weight of passengers. Hot air balloon also has parachute valve that can be opened by pulling a cord, which allow hot air to escape and makes the balloon descends. Next, how hot air balloon stays stationary at the same height. The balloon remains stationary when upthrust force equal with the weight of hot air balloon in the balloon plus the weight of airship fabric plus the weight of gondola and plus the weight of passengers. Next is the characteristic of hot air balloon. First is the envelope or the airship fabric. It made with nylon, which is light, durable, and strong. The vertical sections that sewn together at the seam make an airtight container to prevent air leaking. It also has parachute valve at the top of the balloon. The opening at the bottom is reinforced with skirt made from fireproof material to prevent burning and melting. Next is the burner. It is filled by propane cylinder that we usually use during the camping. It has more than 2 burners to provide more lift and safety in case one of the burner didn't work. Lastly is the basket that carry passengers. It is made using wicker technique that is light, durable, and squishy to absorb some of the impact if balloon land too quickly. It also connected to the burner by a strong rope so it doesn't fall down. The best time to rise hot air balloon is early in the morning, after sunrise, and early in the evening. It is because to help the balloon rise, we need thermal to be absent or at low activity. And that's conclude everything. Thank you for listening.